What you're going to need simply is just a 1/2-inch wrench. Crossbar is going to look like this. Each crossbar is going to get 2 U-hooks, bolts, and real simple, you're just going to put it onto the part on the trailer that you want it on. It has to align with one of the 4 horizontal bars that we have on the frame. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to stack on top of those. So I'm going to put this one all the way on the back. And as you can see, we now have our crossbars bolted onto our modular trailer. So now we can put longer items on there. That could be kayaks, it could be other sporting equipment. There's other bars that you can add to this. But that's the crossbars. And we'll see you in the next one.